Good evening guys, I am Santosh Kamil Shetty from Spider Software. In this video we will discuss based on the mastering the index by using Iris Plus for intraday. It's excellent setup for a trader. It done lot of hard work to simplify the things to make a trader to generate premium for a momentum traders. So today we'll discuss on what trades we got on 21st of July 2022 using the setup. Before going into the trades, I want to convey one important one thought process to the traders, because trading trader and a common trader both are different profiles. A trader is there to visualize the things, commentator is there to talking about what is happening. Every time when we start analyzing the chart, our thinking should be of a trader. Trader is a visualizer, game changer, strategy maker, objective oriented person, and working for the winning probability. Your thinking process on this aspect should be more than 60%. 40% should be observing what is happening. In this process of understanding and keeping those aspects, make a trader to see lot of variation in decision making. Okay guys, let us go to the what trades we got today. Okay, today in the channel we have been posted that what is the overview of the Bank Nifty. That overview I simply given based upon this setup only. Yesterday in the closing we got a sell arrow, that is a low of 35,876. We know how to confirm a trade, those all things I discussed in the video. Still I am going to say in what has happened today, but largely I got understood with setup that 35,876 below, if the market is trading continuously for long time, then only the correction can be larger, because when we are ending the day, the candles are above white line. When we confirm the trade, we need at least minimum 2 or 3 candles below the white line. The process itself saying proactively that the larger breakdown below 35,800 or instability or stability of the fall for more than 1 hour, then it can be a trend changer. Based upon that perception only, I posted in my price action group, the market can have a correction below this level. So chart always say you things which cannot be happened on tomorrow, so that fall can be a buy opportunity for a smarter traders. Just that may not be a strategic oriented, but it can be thinking oriented. Fine. Now let us go to the today's trades. Where all we got today, again the trading range, very small range, market traded. The morning our resistance was 36,200, 35,900 Bank Nifty, Nifty 16,600 resistance, 16,550, sorry 450 our support, which I posted in the group. This is Bank Nifty 15 minute chart, this Nifty 15 minute chart, Nifty 4 hour chart, Bank Nifty 4 hour chart, 60 minute chart Nifty, 60 minute chart Bank Nifty. We are going to work on the arrow marks. Okay, fine. We are going to work on the arrow marks. Yesterday we discussed the trades, why we haven't carried forward the trade also we discussed in the last video. Today in the Nifty and in the Bank Nifty, you see in the Nifty, in the early morning rally, there is no trade. Okay, in the Nifty also, and in the Bank Nifty also, till early 1 hour. This trade is not being created by using setup. But in the Nifty, we got a buy arrow here. After getting the buy arrow, we will wait for half an hour. And whatever that I made during that time, we are going to confirm the 60 minutes chart. So probably what happened after making the buy arrow, it has made a eye of this one in half an hour. This eye is not broken immediately, so signal has no validity. Okay, now again we got a sell arrow, 16,558 low. After getting the sell arrow, it came around 12:30. We will wait for half an hour low below that one. The below that half an hour low was 16,550. This low came at 130. This low came at 130. If I go to 130, it's a 115 candle, 12:15 candle, 11:15 candle. At 130, when I see it, this candle should be forming. It is in process of forming because it's over at 115. If you see here, previous two candles closings was above the white line, and this closing is greater than this closing, and there is sudden fall of this candle close to below. Whenever we got a sell after half an hour, if the previous structure is too strong, that most of the previous structure of nth back bar 2-3 candles above the white line, a running bar in the friction broken this white line, then after whatever the low it made at 550, here the buying starts. It's going to be a great buying opportunity for trader for next 1 to 1.5 hour. That is what happened in the market. The entire day we got one trade. See, when we are being want to make the things more stronger, efficient and strategic oriented, we should wait for a good trade. The early morning we got one more buy call that is based upon the price action rules. That point of trade may not be scanned by the setup, but the setup is having its own strength that it can generate money consistently to you. In same way, if you see a sell call here, sell call at what time we got? 36,147, 130 we got. In the half an hour it made a low of 2 o'clock. If I say 2 o'clock, this is the candle which forming. Here, these two candles are above the white line. I agree, this is forming. But these are not these are falling closings. The recoveries may not be stronger here. Here, there is higher closings. This close is greater than this close. This setup is always helpful to have a contra buy. This setup is not functionally suitable for contra buy. It may rise, there is no validity of rise. We need a validity of rise. If you buy it, we need a premium growth. This trade we got generated in today's market, only one trade, and in the closing we have seen that mostly 4-hour charts are neutral, no fresh breakout. Here also no fresh breakout, and again the Nifty has given a buy call generation at 315 candle, and based upon tomorrow opening above this candle closed 115 minutes candle, then after all candles are already 2 or above, that is going to be also above. The market not open the gap down, that eye breaks, again the market will give 1 hour movement. Any 15 minutes confirmations will have a movement of 1 to 1.5 hour, 150 to 200 points movement in Bank Nifty, 30 to 40 points minimum movement in the Nifty. Today in Nifty we got around 625. In the span of 1.5 we got how many points? 80 points we got it. If you go to the Nifty, if you see today's market only, at the ending, if you see the 550 call, it became in the money. It was at what time we done the trade? Around 215. In 215, it was in the range of 25 rupees. It made a high of 60. In same way, what we understood that Bank Nifty, what we understood that Nifty 60 minutes chart is given a breakdown, but Nifty broken that high. Anyhow, this call not got activated. Bank Nifty, this call got not activated. The Bank Nifty, this high is not broken, and this low broken tomorrow, and when low broken, then running 4 hours candle is trading below this white line. That is going to be a trend changing point for Bank Nifty. Anyhow, we'll see tomorrow's morning opening and generate a call. This setup is mostly, I'm explaining glancely about the intraday trades, and larger trades generally happen 60 minutes chart and 4 hours chart. So with this we need to go through the glance view about the option data also, and I also suggest that understanding the option data width analysis is also very important to know the leg of the rally, how much left over. So guys, you understand that maintaining a setup and disciplinely following those setup can able to make you the consistent money generation for the market. It is very important factor. So this is a paid setup for those who are existing clients for Iris Plus. They can avail this setup with a price of 18,000 plus GST. Those participants who wants to subscribe for Spider Software can reach us. Thanking you for watching the video.